how to log out someone's profile on Netflix. So first of all, just go ahead to your browser. If you want to log out someone of Netflix, first of all, just go ahead to your App Store, Google Play, double check if your Netflix app needs to be updated. If it does, just go ahead and do it. And if it doesn't, just move along to the next step. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to just go back to my browser. And since I don't have a Netflix account, I'm going to demonstrate how it's done. First, you will want to log into your account on Netflix website and select your profile. Then hover over the profile picture or thumbnail in the top right corner of the home page and click on account. On the next page, scroll down to the settings section and click on sign out of all devices, then confirm. If you want demonstration so you can understand how it's done, you're going to be able right here sign out from all devices, and you're going to be able to confirm that you want to sign out from all the devices. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell. Thank you for watching.